this is his second wife. He left her in jail and came back home.
Let's see what Orlando's doing right now. They're gonna look really nice with my truck. Wonder if I can bend it. Alright guys, well, I'm waiting for an Uber for the first time because I can't count on too many people to pick me up. But we're gonna have a great day. So this is the first time I actually used Uber for myself. I had a friend of mine that actually paid for me one time doing Uber, and it was weird. I never really done Uber, so this is my first time doing an Uber, which is weird. But we're gonna go all the way to Orlando's shop and get the new control arms on the truck, because the old control arms, they're discontinued, so they got the new ones and we're gonna be installing them on Little Blue. Today's gonna be a great day. The thing that's gonna suck right now is that I don't know if I can convince the Uber driver to go get some coffee. Alright man, appreciate it.
No doubt, man, anytime.
I got the lady to put my name on there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hey, what does this say right here? The name?
Omar LS2.
Oh man, shout out to you, bro, because for real, like, you got an Instagram or something?
Yeah, I got one. I'll shoot it to you.
Alright, bet, because, yeah, it wasn't that, I mean, it was really easy for him to just be like, yeah, let's go get some coffee.
Just ahead, keep left onto Interstate 45 south using...
A guy went on his honeymoon in Vegas. And he just got married. I mean, and this is his second wife. So they get to Vegas. She gets f***ed up, drunk, and they tear up the Trump Plaza. He left her in jail and came back home.
You said this is his second marriage?
This is his second marriage. He said,
have a third
he said he's not getting married anymore. It's over with. It's done. He said, man, after $4,000 worth of damage, he's barred from the Trump Plaza for life, and he left his wife in jail. That's the toughest story I've heard. I was like, oh, dude, you know you're not married anymore. Shit, it was up, dude. And he kind of cried on the way home. So, yeah.
Like, he spent so much on that wedding.
On that wedding and everything.
We're talking about the craziest stories that ever happened in this car. That was pretty funny.
Drop off Omar on the right.
Right there.
Okay.
There's my baby.
Damn.
I love her. She looks better in person, huh?
Shit, I'm tired.
Damn, I need to get a new light though, because I hit some debris hit the light, now water's going inside of it, so.
Yeah.
Alright then, to meet.
Shit, man. Alright then, Omar, man, it's a pleasure. Hit me up, man.
Yeah, man, I'll put your Instagram on the description below.
Okay, and I'll have your, yeah, just as soon as you hit me your number, I'll shoot you my Instagram.
I bet.
Your pickup at 779.
Alright,
thank you for the coffee.
No doubt, man. I know that's worth $5.
Alright guys, that was a fun. Let's see what my baby's going through. Alright guys, let's see what Orlando's doing right now. He's getting this truck done first, and then we're gonna be pulling in my truck.
I'm gonna do a 3.5 drop, or a 4.6, or even like a 5.7.
Yeah. For camera,
you're looking at like 3K.
Alright guys, so the truck is already done, the one that he was working with. It runs really smooth, so right now we're going to be getting the truck inside, put the new control arms on there, because the old ones are discontinued, like I said. And it's pretty cool that they have some really nice pilot control arms. Here are the new control arms for my truck. Damn. They're gonna look really nice with my truck being blue and dark and mysterious. The other ones were gray, right? No, they were white. White or gray,
they
something
were
like
gray.
that.
They were gray, like kind of like gray spray paint.
Yeah, look at this. It looks so nice. It's a great day today. V6. Little V6 is still strong, guys. Still running strong. I gotta fix the gasket on the injector because it keeps coming off. That's the only problem I've been having lately. But other than that, I mean, it's been doing a lot of damage even with a stock intake. Alright guys, so right now we're going to be taking off the wheels and then getting access to the control arm that's on the driver's side. Alright guys, so Orlando's putting the jack stands on there. The truck is already lifted. We're going to be taking off the wheels. Alright guys, here's the problem. See that control arm right there in the bottom? Yeah, she snapped. I don't know what I hit, but I never thought that was going to be possible. So yeah, we're gonna be changing this control arm to the new control arm. Like I said, that they're discontinued, so we're getting some new ones and they look very nice. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so Orlando just got done taking off the spindles, the calipers, and the rest of the accessories, and we're going to be putting on the new ones. Here's another look on the new ones. They look a little bit more, I don't know, it looks like it has more of a look to them than the originals, the ones that I have at the moment. These kind of look like a plain burger. It's like a plain burger. And this looks like everything on it, on the burger. Adding pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, and all these other. So yeah guys, these are gonna be the new ones for Little Blue. They do look lighter than the old ones actually. What's your opinion, Orlando?
They're probably about the same, if not heavier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, there's only one way to find out. How does it feel to have a Ford?
It feels good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What made you want to change?
I didn't change, I still got both of them.
So right now, which one would you rather drive?
The Ford.
Why?
Because they're faster.
Sorry guys, I'm Team Chevy, but one day I think I will get a Ford.
Trying to take off your struts.
Alright guys, this piece already came out. The upper control arm just came off. I'm gonna put it next to the newer one and see what it looks like. That's the old one. And here is the new one. Not that much of a difference it looks like, but it does look very nice on this one. It does feel real good. There's a lot of texture on this control arm, and this one, well, she's old. And I'm starting to like it. Well, that's the other one. Alright guys, this thing looks heavy. This is the thing that was broken. Check this out. Look at that crack. I think I could have welded on there. It'll probably be fine, but nah. I must have hit something real hard. Or maybe this thing is just old already. I wonder if I can bend it. Break it or something. Oh, damn. Look. Wow. Yeah, this thing is gone. Houston Powells don't play. So yeah guys, this one's finally out. And let's put it next to the new one. Here is the old one. Wow.
That had a good run.
It had a good run. running straight to the bottle. So look at this. I don't know if I can see the difference on it. I think they look the same, but yet again, this one looks thinner, I guess you can say. Or it does feel the same, I'm not gonna lie. It does feel the same, but this one's party coated. Well, this one's just old. I don't see that much of a difference. Finally, I get to take her home and finally drive her. Damn. I love my V6. I don't care what anybody says.
Why does it sound like a tractor?
Don't worry about it. Why does your Ford sound like a Ford?
Oh, you don't have the rest of your exhaust, right?
Yeah.
That's why.
Plus, yeah, it's a cold start.
Oh,
Keep turning it on and leaving real quick.
sounds funny.
I don't care. I love it. Alright guys, well, finally gonna drive Little Blue back home and get her in alignment tomorrow because yeah, she's still going through a couple of little flaws that are going on with the thing. But hey, shout out to Orlando, man. I mean, he got it. He was the first one to get he was the one that dropped my truck the first time, and it feels kind of cool that I'm getting it done by him again for the newer control arms. Yeah guys, like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of the legacy, and we'll see you on the next. Whew, God, I miss her. Oh, man. I don't care what anybody says, I love this truck.